Yes, so that is it. That is it. That is it. That is it. This is the final. This is the final. Bye. Hello, everyone. Yes, this is Deg Beauty. Don't be in a rush. Don't be in a hurry. I want to show you new skills, new pattern, how you can tie easy rows on your head by yourself. 5 minutes. Very easy. All you need is your gele. This is your gele, and you need pin. This is the easiest skill if you want to tie rows on your head by yourself. One shot. Yes, these skills demand gele that have long length, at least 75 to 80 length. You are okay, you can do this style. If you have short length, you can't do it. This is how we do it. Very easy. You know, these days gele is very cost. If you call gele artist, yes, this is 80 length. Like this, when you divide it equal, it's 50-50. We call it 50-50 when you divide it equal. But when you divide it 70-30, 70-30, you drag one up little bit. Yes, the longer side is what we call 70. Sorry, you divide it 60-40. Yes, I'm so sorry. 60-40. The length will be 60-40. One side will be longer than the other side, just little bit. Oh yeah, you see, this side is the 60. This side is the 60. This side is the 40. Okay, let's get started. This is how you can do it. You can do it even when you stand in your bed, at the entrance of the party. Just do it this way. Bring out your hand like this. Then squeeze it. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. If you cannot use this one to squeeze it, continue to squeeze this. Squeeze it. Squeeze this one. Squeeze this side. Squeeze this side. By the time you get to the end of the 40, make sure you use this as 60 to twist it little bit again, just like 2 times or 3 times, to make sure you cover the 40. Now you can see you already twist it. Now what we are going to do, you will bring out your hand. You see the way I bring out my hand. You bring out your hand, hold it like this, place it on your leg. Let me sit down now. You place it on your head like this, because here there is already hole. Yeah, you open your hand like this. This is the extra. You know, we divide it 40-60. So this one is not the extra, because the 40 already end when you will twist it. This is not the extra. You open your hand like this. You take this extra. You use your other hand to make sure you bring this one out from here. See, you bring it out. You pull it like this. Drag it. Let it be firm. Drag it. If you cannot drag it this way, you can use your hand to support here. Drag it this way. Now it's very tight. Now it's very tight. Yes, now it's very tight. Set up your hair at the back. Now this extra, we are going to use it to create rows. We have different type of rows. But I always say to my students, when you want to do anything, do the easiest one that you can do. So we have different type of rows. This one is the easiest. You take the tip. This gele have 2 tip. You open it like this. Don't take from the edge. Don't take from the edge. take from the under like this, then you open it more, you place this place, let it relax here like this, then you start twisting it, start dragging it, drag it, drag everything, drag. You leave this edge, drag, leave this edge. When you get to this place, use this hand to protect here. Continue your dragging, drag. Don't place it up. Don't place it. Make sure you drag it under. Yes, under the twisting. Yes, drag it. Now this is the end. You will now use one pin to pin it here. Pin it. Can pin it here. We are not going to use one pin. This is pin. Pin it, just pin it like this. It's very easy. Then by the time you finish your rows, you can set it up like this. Raise it. You raise it. Okay, you raise it. You can raise it like this. You can raise it a little bit. Most people put rows at the middle. Some leave it at the center. You can leave it here. You can leave it. So anywhere you want to leave it, you can drag it to this side. When you drag it to this side, make sure you raise it. This side, this rows is already set. You can use your hand to set it the way you want it. Then you can pull it this way. You can pull it this way. Then you can still raise it the way you want it. Yes. Rows is ready. Easy rows. You don't need to do more pleating for you to give yourself stress. If you observe anything that is not balanced, that is not set up, just set it up and put pin. Use pin to make sure you set it up. That is the reason you need pin. Yes. I'm ready for church. Ready, simple and unique. You can use it for your traditional outfits, your English outfits. Yes, that is it. Yes. You see, easy rows. Easy rows. Thank you. If you want other tutorial, different way we do our gele, different skills, I have different video on my YouTube channel. Deg Beauty. How to tie on someone's head, how to tie on your head by yourself, different style. Yes, you can do it. If you don't want to continue to pay, you can do it. If you cannot tie round or you cannot tie fan, if you can achieve these rows with your face setup, with your makeup, you look so amazing. You will look so amazing. Amazing grace. Thank you. Leave your comment down below. Please don't forget to subscribe if today is your first time you come across this wonderful channel. Yes, this channel is all about makeup, gele, traditional hairstyle, the bridal hairstyle. We are all in one beauty. Yes, we make our women look popping. If you want to look popping, this is the best place for you. If you like to learn, because my passion is to learn, is to teach, sorry. Yes, that is my passion. I have passion for teaching. If you know you are the type you like to learn, stay here. You will learn one or two things. Yes. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye. Yes.